Morning, my good people. Today we are coming live from Thokoza Auditorium, Kumalo Street. We are attending a commemoration walk for 1976 youth. Here we are beginning. The mayor is expected to be joining the walk. Thank you.
Kamalam Siyabonga. We are gathered here in Thokoza Auditorium for a commemorative walk of the generation of 1976, seeing that we come from celebrating the Youth Day, of which this is our official Youth Day celebration, so that we can understand the inclusivity of young people that must be included in all state powers around the city of Ekurhuleni and around Gauteng. Thank you very much.
How sisi? Ngiyaphila kunje. Siyaphila.
Bona bazimela nje.
Executive Mayor kunjani?
All good.
Yeah, uhambe Thokoza namhlanje ufila kanjani
I'm very
executive?
happy to be here with young people. This area here signifies a lot in terms of the struggles of our people.
Yes.
Where do we come from? So this reminds us
Yes.
about the struggles, some of the sacrifices that our people made for the freedom that we are enjoying today. And you would remember some of the township violence. All that must give us courage to do more, to build the future for our young people. And how do we make sure that this heritage and this rich history turns out to opportunities for our people in terms of economy, in terms of skills and development. So we're working here and recommitting ourselves that those who lost their lives, fighting for the freedom that we're enjoying today, they must never feel that that was done in vain. And really government must commit to tourism, to township economy and youth development. And we are working now, we must use sports.
Yes.
We must use sports. Young people must be engaged in healthy activities, and really we must be able to attract signature type of events, to be hosted here in Ekurhuleni. And when people flock into this space, they are also able to boost tourism and leave the locals, with something. Importantly, locals, they want to benefit out of their own government.
And while ulapho ke mayor ne sibuye auditorium Thokoza Auditorium, the state of the Thokoza Auditorium
is bad.
It's bad. Kupaka amateksi akunagesi abantu they can't
it's bad.
host
I must say
event.
to you, we must be embarrassed
Yeah.
with some of these things, how things have turned out. And I must indicate,
Yes.
2021, 2022 was a turning point where government in Ekurhuleni exchanged hands, and this focus was on these assets, and we've recommitted to turn these things around. But what does it mean? It means the officials that are supposed to do the maintenance must do the maintenance. The official that must close the pothole must close the pothole. And we must never allow roads to happen in our own eyes. And that is where we are.
Yes.
Recommit some of the resources here. And when government does not have sufficient resources, call even the private sector to come and work with us. Get the NGOs and NPOs to come and work with us so that these centers are working for the benefit of the community.
And the project mayor where finance was doing a project in 29
Yeah, they
mentioned
finance.
yes Mr. Zavat mentioned beautification yama hostels, and now sivula any hostel in history with the rich history alapha eThokoza, which is Umshazafe. Now beautification yakhona yona izokala nini executive mayor, because
well,
that
there
project
was-
iqala ngo-July, 1st of July.
There was a program here to rebuild hostels driven by national and provincial government, because human settlements is not a mandate of municipalities, but of course we've got an extension because we must make the areas to be livable. Ours is to ensure that we collect waste, we provide them with electricity, with water. Where the sewer blockages, we can enter inside, we clear the sewer. But in terms of redevelopment, we know that the province has still recommitted themselves, pending some of the bulk investment that we need to put as the municipality. So we will soon come here and have a conversation with the hostel community about their own development. But importantly is integration, because hostels must not be, an island, within
With the
communities.
community,
They
yeah.
must be integrated. It must be one community, and that's what our people want, and that's what we're committing to do.
Okay, man. And there's Aposia corner on a second stage, it's a youth center. Since you're talking about youth, this is a July youth center since they were in
The
February.
same state of affairs.
Yes,
Where we come from, it's in the same state. That's why we must be here.
yes,
Highlight it,
yes,
get the officials to think deeper. Because it doesn't matter how much, power changes hands
yes,
in between councillors. But if the officials are not committing themselves
yes,
to sort out some of these, I will call it them rots,
and
because you can't have public facilities dilapidating in our own eyes, collapsing. The youth and the hope that they have on their own government will start to diminish if we are not able to attend to these facilities.
yes.
And that's why we're here to say, we see you.
Njengoba bebachebinga namhlanje njengoba kuza wena apha elokishini mina ngumhlali walapha eThokoza akuqhwetywanga until namhlanje bazile ukuthi hayi ume uyeza, and there's ama-security kulama-public facilities, but i-state siyadilapidate while kukhona abantu abagadayo. What's your take on that, man? Because we've got security companies e-stadium, asinagesi siyophulwa but siyagadwa every day, but ngiqashe abantu. What's your say?
What value are we getting? Who's managing the security contractors?
Yes,
Ne?
yes,
And those who are managing these contractors, they must answer. And that's why I was saying accountability, we must never mince a word on it.
yes.
While we look for money to actually repair, some of these facilities. We are busy currently with what we call an institutional review to see into maintenance, to see backup. A department that is better placed to deal with this.
Yes.
because the department that has been seized with this task has not been able to do it. And that's where the problem is. How do we get our departments to be fully functional? And I can tell you, in this financial year, we should be able to turn around some of these and start to see, you know, a change. And these facilities must be given to communities to actually operate them on our behalf.
And we're seeing a crime executive mayor. If I can count from 2022, there's I must say no security companies. I have amaninzi, but crime is a new. Well, your take on crime, which uncedisane nabantu.
Yeah, no, we need communities. In a program pass ibiza qinisa umthetho. Ilidwa go MMC wethu namaphoyisa EMPD to pool all resources police to make sure that umthetho is firm. Just by law enforcement.
Yes.
Just by law enforcement. If we are not enforcing the bylaws, we will lose credibility as a government. We will lose our standing as a government. Now, we are also launching another program called Hange Kaslam to integrate every member of the community in the fight against crime. So I was saying members of the community, they must say, Hange Kaslam, this thing can't happen. You can't allow it to happen because those who are causing crime, they are found amongst us.
Yes.
They are found amongst us. Now
yes.
He gets to be celebrated ekas. Uto haika ipoze. Uyipoze njani ungavuka ekseni uyosebenza. I'm saying we need communities
to work in
close ranks and work in hand with police to push back criminals out of our space. To us now, we even have illegal immigrants, illegal foreigners who are causing most of the outrageous crimes in our communities. We need to tighten the belt, work with security, community security formations. Abo Tata Zonke, abo Yuzo Taliban,
yes.
So that we tighten.
But do you, Mayor, as a city, support them? Do you support this?
We support them very much.
Yes.
That is why we recognize them. We also want to make sure that we consider programs like a Peace Corps. You know, it's a program called EMPD. So that you are then awarded a Peace Corps, so that you can then be regulated. Even if you use your own gun, you know when to use it and how to use it. So those are important attributes that we must teach these community security groups, so that they understand how to enforce community safety without compromising the other person's human rights.
Salud. Hola Bafetu.
Sanmanani kamalamu isiphile bhekizulu mbuya eNiger ngizela ngo celebrate iYouth yango 76 futhi
Ufunda kuphi?
ngifunda e-Alva Park Secondary School.
Ufunda grade bani?
Ngifunda grade 9.
Nifike ngobani isikhathi la?
Ngifike ngo-10.
10. Oh, right. Uwo njengoba ula wena uzoyenzani nawe uzowoka or ufuna udlala i-netball wenzani udlala i-sport?
Maka ngokwami ngizocelebrate la maka mangabe kuyadlaliwa i-sport nami ngakujabulela lokho.
Ngiyabonga sisi.
Sabalengo, I am my son, I am my friend,
Njani? Ngiyabonga. How's the walk bantu abadala?
Tina, we are willing.
Yeah. Yes, mama. Nibuya phi mamzo?
Sibuye auditorium.
Yes, ma.
Siya eSemtuli Stadium.
Wena mama ngokuhlala ubuya phi mamzo?
Ngihlale Rondebelt.
Yes, mama. Uzwe kanjani ngale walk eyenzeka la namhlanje?
It's because I'm part of the community yaseKhululeni.
Okay, ngiyabonga mamzo. Enjoy the walk. Danke. Sanibonani. Oh, hayi sengifuna nina ngimshudile. Sengifuna nina ma. Ena vele MMC bakubona ukuthi MMC uyalazi ibhoni. Awukhulelanga masabaphi MMC.
Ibongo ngishayile.
Bafethu nali ikhehla liyanishiya. Nali ikhehla liyanishiya.
Hayi ibongo ngishayile ibongo.
Jangi MMC. Oh, kumele ume. Oi, pai, segue. Eu mau, meio mau. Ufuna lingana nawe. Yeah. That side, yeah. Executive Mayor MMC emabhayisikilini. What a day. Isibilliyoni. Danko mfethu.
But what does it mean, the monument, for you? What does it mean? You should see the monument. Yeah, over 800 people passed on during the Thokoza, Polar Park, Katlehong violence, where the communities in the hostel and those who are in the township were at loggerheads. A black on black violence, which was known as a Zulu Xhosa battle, but then it was also coined IFP ANC battle. But the intensity is that all our communities across Katlehong, because Zulus are found here, so it was a black on black violence, creating confusion so that abantu balwe bodwa. Sotos, Tswanas, we found all our people in this community. But again, what must we do to speed up, or to restore this monument? That is what our communities are concerned about. So, government, can they develop this space so that abantwana bethu who are unemployed and all that can actually have some economic opportunities? That is in terms of township economy, in terms of tourism development. We're happy that the youth is deciding to do the work. They are promoting healthy living and sportsmanship as part of inviting many other people who want to come and learn about this rich history, this rich heritage.
And there's something there.
Inside there.
Yeah.
Structures. Siyabonga. Sizoza kahle ke sapha stadium manje. Siyabonga.
Thank you.
uzowa sewusegeyidini mfethu sewungena. Yini igama le-squad senu gents niyibizani squad?
Boni Life Gas.
Boni
Life Gas.
Ninayo Facebook page bafethu. Create ani Facebook page ne Twitter account. Aniphinde nirasani nithi yini?
Boni Life Gas.
Boni Life Gas. 1 2 3 1 2 3
Boni Life Gas.
Hola. Umeya sashainya. Ufeli umeya shainya.
Don't make me go. Don't you test my patience, my mind is no safe. I'm beyond insane
that are present. Greetings to the office of the executive mayor. Greetings to the youth directorate led. I know Julo Salang Luis Uti. Lendo Leabang yona kahle, but led by yourself, Julie. Greetings to Wongama officials that are here. Special greetings also goes to Inkosis Kona Lana. Special greetings to young people. Umphakathi okhona la endaweni ithi eThokoza. Program director, executive mayor, we are gathered today to honor the brave youth of Thokoza who in 1976 stood up for dignity, education and justice. Their fight was not in vain, and while acknowledging the strides made by our government in recognizing them and giving them dignity through housing, access to free healthcare, electricity, water, and etc. We also recognize that too many of these still face poverty, unemployment, and adequate services. They deserve more than remembrance, and they deserve transformation. EM program director, distinguished guest, today, today's youth face similar strides, joblessness, lack of access to skills, and growing social challenges. Siyabona EM, teenage pregnancy, no matter how we fight it, is as a high. Probably if young people are working, bazokhathala ukuthi bangabi sexually active too much to a point siba nabantwana abaningi. Executive mayor, program director, that's why the city's flagship program of the University of Ekurhuleni with a special focus of applied science, innovation and technology is vital. EM siyayicela lento. Sihlale sikhuluma kuma platforms siyayicela iaction. Because we want to have a university. We are the only metropolitan municipality without a university. This is a call for young people EM, and young people must realize it. We must not betray the generation of 1976. In an actual fact, this university must make sure that it shows that the commitment we still carry and we still continue with the struggle. EM, with those words, I would not want to make a speech. It is yourself who must come and deliver the speech. But young people, EM, abasebenzi. I thank you.
Yanaka Jackson Makwenkwana, Yanaka Febana, Yanaka Ngingi, Yanaka Vazi, Uchawe lo, Ukauta, Umtanga Chiu, Umlau, Togo, Palo. This hotel 76. About the youth of 76. Hear me, youth of 76. I'm going to tell you what was happening. Please, tell me cooperate and I'm not going to Tulani. Nikule and Nizozwa from the Subu's on 76. They're incorporated. So now Amapunu before us to Wula 76. Oliver Tambo, May 25 Zaga April 1969, Morogoro, Tanzania. What did the youth at the cutting edge of the revolution? All the young people, the young lions must go up front. He was talking to us. Would you see Suse? Say Suse. See Susanna. I will never forget the university students, educators. One of them, Ujamaika Twala from Duduza, very intelligent and powerful educator. Was niggas poems. Os conscientize politically. Was nigga the poem namhlanje the following day ngabe sengiyazi mina leyo poem. Ngizokwenzela yona kancane nangikhohliwe, we must understand it's a long time ago. And then kunengoma ezinye before ipoem kunengoma ezinye besizicula ezingafani nalezi ezaka 1985. Amabhunu nawasibona bewathi ngithi ngama black power, but these kafirs, they want black power. I never knew today njoba besilo ukuthi we'll have the mayor and the MMC kude bebasaba yona lento le. Now fighting for freedom is a noble cause. Not every Dick, Tom and Harry, Mary, Elizabeth, Jane and Sue fought for freedom. It's not an easy thing. And the person who's more educated and a graduate more than any other person is a person that has fought and liberated this country. But unfortunately, there are those, when the war was on, they ran and hid behind the mountains. When the war is over, they came out and stabbed the wounded. How do you stab the wounded? By voting opposition. But how do you stab the wounded? By making sure that the power goes out from the black majority of the people. Last time in 94, we had, no, back to 76. Now, 1976. It's Senzenina, Iyo Senzenina, Senzenina, Iyo Senzenina, Sono se tu, Mnyama, sono se tu, sono se tu, Sono setu, obumnyama. Now, Basfundisa 1948 National Party took over. Bathi uJohn Foster wathi varstan ek abuzamabhunu ame phezu kwetafula bathi me near the stand of the tafel wathi near ek stand of the cover sekop wathi ngizoqindezela umuntu omnyama. There's no need to teach a black man math and science because he's going to be a garden boy, he's going to work in the kitchen. The way bekasi-undermine ngakhona ukusuka lapho basifundisa i-Afrikaans was a medium of instruction. Sifunda i-Afrikaans bathi iveskende ngeskilenes. Sifunda i-English nge-Afrikaans, isiXhosa nge-Afrikaans, i-Afrikaans nge-Afrikaans, i-Maths nge-Afrikaans. Bathi twee gemeen gevuldig twee. Nokuthandaza besikufunda nge-Afrikaans. Ngakuthandaza nge-Afrikaans man. Die genade van ons Heer Jesus Christus, die liefde van God en die gemeenskap van die heiligheid bly saam met ons nou tot vir ewigheid. Amen. Bafundisa ngekani. And our teachers were frustrated because they must change the curriculum from English to Afrikaans. And then from there, Sati Foster shall never go to heaven, shall never. Foster shall never go to heaven, shall never. Foster shall never. Foster shall never. Foster shall never go to heaven. Angisho basifaka basifaka ku heaven. Sithi lo bulala abantwana abamnyama angeke azaye ku heaven. Uzoya kanjani ku heaven ubulala abantwana? And then I had a white friend. I'm going to mention igama because he's on the social media. Wathi kimi nangimtshela ngiyifriend yakhe because I was a South African karate champion. Benifuna ifile lami because nangikhuluma ngimotivate abanye bayangiphikisa. Ngine-evidence I'll show you after I got my file. Ngithi kuye, when you banned the South African flag, uthola 10 years in jail. And manje ngiyabuza ngithi 10,000 rand fine. Ngithi what is it to kill a child who's the only breadwinner? Bathembe wena ekhaya ukuthi you'll go and to school and be educated. And amabhunu afika kudubule. Bokunzima leso sikhathi. And we were united. Abamama, they made sure ukuthi nashawa nge-tear gas bakhipha amabhafa namanzi ukuthi sizigcobishe la sikwazi ukuthi manje siqhubeke siye phambili. And na umfana wathi ulight bebakufaka iroko so that amabhunu awafika angakwazi ukubona ukuthi umfana or intombazane because they were out there killing our people. So ngifuna ukuthi manje ke i-discipline is very important. Uyabona manje wena nangibona ngifaka isikhumba I know ungacabanga ukuthi mhlambe yisangoma ukucabanga ezinye izinto uthetha nochawe lenkosi lekumkani. But then ngifuna ukubonisa ukuthi from there, because we were disciplined, we were not after money, we were not after fame, we were not after position. We wanted to liberate our people. We went to school and studied. And I did civil engineering. And I went on, I did psychology. And I went on, I did management. And then what I did, I challenged Amabhunu. I went to Rand Afrikaans University, which is called UJ today. I went to Potchefstroom University for Krasnodar Honor on the face. Then pass a distinction because I said, here I am, challenge my mind and see. So there is no way in which when as a youth, when you are inferior. Stephen Bantu Biko, September 1977, he was doing medicine. He was telling the truth. He said, I'm more intelligent than an average Afrikaner. He was kicked not for that. So, what I'm trying to say is that today we've got different challenges. We've got HIV/AIDS. Because we're democracy, rights, the demons are crazy. Stop that. Listen to your mama and your father. And listen, nobody will early or 5. Hambekaya, Funda, be disciplined, build your future. And then what's up with school? Incwadi mabazisaba. But imagine we've got children who are suffering from HIV/AIDS. We've got children who are using drugs. Now, it's discipline ipi. Thina besazi ukuthi awuyi-comrade, ufana ukuthi ube discipline. Bahamba kaMaqabane 1976. Wathi ababuya wabuya nezinye ingoma ezitsha ezi-different. Athi, come Kerlamon, come on son. Come Kerlamon, Kerlaman. I shall taught, Helaget. I shall taught, your son. Very good, Blessed Sky. So it means in 1976, they swelled into the ranks of Lukondo and Sife. They came back, they liberated you. So don't mess up. ANC, learn to be humble. People love the ANC. They want to vote for the ANC. I get it wrong. Uguti, I'm sorry. Thank you. Excuse me. Please. Step. Sorry, comrade. Thank you, comrade, for coming and honoring. Excuse me, comrade, for hating you. Please, learn to be humble. Because we are not going to make sure Uguti, the country we are bad from Bunwini. Please don't do it for these guys. Do it for me. Let the ANC come and run this country again. Let black people, this is the only country. The ANC here paid. So I'm campaigning. I'm saying, Naika to pull me ANC. She's also sorry because I'm a Puna about those sufferers. We have suffered. Please don't make us suffer again. Now, oh, besides, the poems, Jamaica. It's Africa, my Africa. Africa of countless athletes in ancestral Kalahari. Africa of intrepid warriors in Rodi Pazulu. Africa of whom my grandmother sings, while she mopes when I'm beaten outside my bed's box. I've never known you, but your blood flows in my veins. Your beautiful black blood that irrigates the Mickey pits. The blood of your sweat, the sweat of your children, the blood of your sweat, the sweat of your slavery, the slavery of your children. Africa, tell me, is this you? This back that is bent, this back that breaks under the weight of humiliation. When will they turn to scars? Wounds that say yes to the whip under the midday sun. But a muffled voice answered me, impatient son, that tree whose leaves are painted white amid young foliage, that is Africa, your Africa. Take heart.
Sibonge kakhulu sibulise ukhansela when angisazi manje sibulise ne leadership yasendaweni yokuhlala abofoto Mlife Themba Viyani yonke leadership yala eThokoza eKatlehong kanjalo mara okubaluleke kakhulu sibulisa nina yintsha ne halala mayanga halala mayanga ne yanga means youth angithi uzoyithola kanjani uhlele khoneni vukuzenzele umuntu omusha vukuzenzele anginizwa kahle ngathi ngilambile ne okay, so we must be fast again. Mara youth ine stamina ngithi. Youth angithi sinendaba ezimnandi kumele sinitshele zona. Halala umuntu omusha halala. Yeah. Vukuzenzele umuntu omusha vukuzenzele. Uzoyithola kanjani? Uhlele khoneni. Away with drug abuse, away. Away with drugs, substance abuse, away. Away with nyaupe, away. Away with teenage pregnancy, away. Away with teenage pregnancy, away. Away with bullying others, away. Away with bullying others, away. Away with bullying others, away. Noma ngibonge kakhulu program director. Sithi ngasikhuluma nabantu abasha, we must send the right messages to yourself, masaluta. Ngithanda ukuthi ngibonise bonke MMC abakhona, MMC Ngwenya. Nimbonile mos MMC wabantu abasha. Vibrant, usho ukuthi pha ku government you also have a young person that is responsible for service delivery. Angithi masithi nizoyithola kanjani abantu abasha bathi no, we want to be part. Masithi vukuzenzele bathi yes, we want to be part. So ke siyakwazi ukuthi si report ukuthi lo MMC umzayifana Ngwenya. So then Ngiyambona mos. Yashaya nama flag. Awuzweke. Yeah, yiyuzile. So isho ukuthini? Isho ukuthi mawuya esikolweni, mawuyiphethe kahle, mawuparticipate kwi-development yomphakathi wakho, uyakwazi ukuthi nawe ukhethe umphakathi, and anytime soon umeya uyakwazi ukuthi akubeke. Njengalo MMC ubekwe umeya ukuthi asibhekele izinto zakagesi ekuhlaleni. So macisha ugesi
Skijimisa yena.
Uyogijimayo enze sure ukuthi ama-officials ayakwazi ukuthi a-attende lo gesi. Indawo ezingakabi nogesi babiza yena bathi no cha, ozochaza meya ukuthi ugesi kanjani. Bebemasha ngale Pamrich, bevale itrati because baconnect inyokanyoka. Bathi bafuna umeya, mina ngithi ngizayifana Ngwenya. Aziye amo-explainela abantu. So kusho ukuthi lokho ke, the youth is involved in government. We're saying this thing kune nonke nibasha, so that when you grow up, you must pass your matric, futhi uye nase university kanjalo kanjalo. Mara uparticipate kwi-development nakwizinto ezenzakalayo ekhaleni. So ke sithi wonke ama-social partners sibonile lapha abantu ba-exhibitile ngithi. So after the address, after kumnandi vele niya kuma-stalls lapha niyobheka ukuthi kwenzakalani. Siyabona abo-Old Mutual bakhona la, abo-Afbo bakhona la, abo-Sanlam. Siyabona no-government wase-province ukhona la. So sithanda ukuthi si-recognize all those stakeholders who have joined hands with the city of Ekurhuleni. But okubaluleke kakhulu abahlali bala eThokoza, abahlali bala eKatlehong, siyababona nabo abantu abadala abahleli abazile bazosupporta because they believe in the future of young people. We are the future.
No one can stop us.
No one can stop us.
We are
The future.
Ishoni nonke. We are the future. No one can stop us. No one can stop us.
We are the future.
We are the future.
No one can stop us.
No one can stop us.
We are the
So
future.
lesithanda ukuthi sibonge kakhulu ukuthi abazali bakhona la lezile ukuthi bazosupporta the program. The program is about you young people. Basekurhuleni, because we believe in the vibrancy of young people. If we don't invest in young people today, we will not be able to build the future that we want. That's why sinigqugquzela ukuthi niye esikolweni. That's why sinigqugquzela ukuthi ningenzi into ezirongo, niphathe kahle, nilalela abazali, because we are building, you carry the future of our country. So ke namhlanje ke we walk through Khumalo Street, not just as a citizen but as a custodian of the memorial la eKhumalo Street la eThokoza. Masinikhumbuze ke, what does Thokoza mean? Ukuthokoza ngithi. Makuthiwa Thokoza is associated with what?
Happiness.
With ukuthokoza. So meaning it's a place of peace, it's a place of joy. So there's a lot that comes with that we must think about. What does the name mean? But practically, what are the things the citizens are namhlanje to ensure that this name Thokoza, that it lives up to expectation? So leli gama the street ukuthi kuze kube uKhumalo Street. It was named after uJacob Khumalo. uJacob Khumalo was a migrant worker. Ukuthi umuntu osuke emakhaya waza eGoli